Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error on your HP printer that your driver can damage your computer, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just open this system preferences, just open it, and now you just need to choose your security and privacy. So here you can see it, just open it, and now you will see here that some app is unidentified, so you just need to allow to open this app. So here you need to click and just write your password here, and after you just need to tap on unlock, and after you will allow here to open this app. So if it doesn't help you, how you can use your printer driver, so just go back here, just go back, and here you need to open printers and scanners. So just tap on your printer, so here you will see your HP printer, just tap with two fingers on it, and here you will see reset printing system. So just tap on it and just tap on reset. So just reset your printing system. If it doesn't works, so just tap again with two fingers and just tap here on remove, and just remove your printer, and after just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just admit restarting your computer. After your computer will load your system, just connect again your printer to your laptop, and just download and install again your drivers on your computer. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.